As humanity's gaze extends beyond Earth to the vastness of space, we stand at the precipice of a new chapter in our history, a chapter of exploration, ambition, and unprecedented power struggles. But what happens when the dream of colonizing Mars turns into a nightmare of interstellar conflict? Welcome to Multiversal, where today we explore the future of space wars, the consequences of Martian colonization, and the potential for nations to exploit this new frontier. The race to colonize Mars is no longer the stuff of science fiction. Visionaries like Elon Musk, alongside space agencies from around the globe, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But make no mistake, this is more than just a scientific endeavor. The colonization of Mars is poised to become the greatest geopolitical chessboard in human history. Why does Mars matter? The red planet holds untapped resources like water, minerals, and possibly rare metals. It's a potential safety net for humanity if Earth faces catastrophic events. And it offers a strategic position for deep space exploration. But with these high stakes comes the potential for serious conflict. Imagine a future where Mars is no longer a barren wasteland but a thriving colony. While this sounds like progress, it comes with profound consequences. First, economic inequality. Wealthy nations or corporations could monopolize Martian resources, leaving the rest of humanity behind. Will Mars become a playground for the elite? Second, environmental neglect. With Mars as a backup, will humanity lose interest in saving Earth? Could the focus on space exploration justify ignoring Earth's urgent problems, like climate change? And third, political tensions. Who owns Mars? Current treaties, like the Outer Space Treaty, are vague and unprepared for colonization scenarios. Without clear regulations, disputes over territory and resources are almost inevitable. In the 20th century, conflicts were fought over land, oil, and ideology. In the 21st century, space is emerging as the next battleground. Imagine scenarios like orbital dominance, where nations or corporations establish satellite networks to control communication and navigation. Hackers could cripple rival nations' space infrastructure, sparking cyber warfare in space. Resource conflicts could also arise. Access to water and minerals on Mars could trigger disputes between colonies, leading to interstellar piracy or even territorial wars. And what about Earth-Mars relations? Could Martian colonies demand independence, mirroring the revolutionary wars of Earth's colonial history? Or will Earth exploit Martian labor and resources, creating a new form of imperialism? History has shown that when power is unregulated, exploitation follows. The colonization of Mars presents nations and corporations with opportunities to bend the rules. For example, corporations like SpaceX or Blue Origin could act as de facto governments on Mars, wielding unchecked power. A single nation might claim Mars as its territory, violating international agreements and provoking conflict. And Martian colonists might face harsh conditions and limited rights, echoing the labor abuses of Earth's industrial era. But it doesn't have to be this way. The future of Mars and of space rests in our hands. Here's how we can ensure peace and fairness in the new frontier. First, strengthen space laws. Update international treaties to address colonization and resource rights. Establish a neutral governing body for Mars exploration. Second, promote global cooperation. Space exploration must prioritize collaboration over competition. Shared investments in Mars missions can prevent a single nation or corporation from dominating. And third, ethical colonization. Prioritize sustainability and fairness in building Martian societies. Let's ensure that the mistakes of Earth's colonial history are not repeated. Mars represents humanity's greatest hope and its greatest challenge. As we look to the stars, let's not forget the lessons of our past. Together, we can build a future that is not just technologically advanced, but also just and equitable. After all, space belongs to everyone. If you enjoyed this exploration of humanity's future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Multiversal community. Let's uncover the wonders of the universe together.